Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, so your regular presenter for First State Immigrant Solution. In case if you never subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime we at least upload new video, you will be the first person where you will first see the video for anything you want to watch me from. So what make me come this morning be say I say make I come to shook my man concerning the thing where they happen for passport matter. For if I say passport matter, I mean Nigeria passport. For those people who know say e don't fair apply for Bale online and they never turn print, whether they call scanning or capturing. If you know say you don't ever capture or scan for Italy, now it be the thing where I want shook my mouth put today because of say they don't bring a new development how the thing they go take play. Now I say make I come explain to us, make I come break am down because the thing where they write, the thing you get as e take play. Now I say make I come break am down small so that everybody go fit understand. In case if you know say you just dey watch this video, so make sure say you watch am to the end so that anything where you want see left concerning this video, or if you get any question, you just drop am for this link where I go. Where this button of this video, or if you call me for 35101233025. So now there you for see me so that when I officially explain more details. So concerning the scanning and capturing matter for Nigeria passport for people we know say they Italy, the contour say from on the 4th of August 2020, now they want to start to the turn print or to the scan or capture for those people where you know say it don't fair apply online before, but due to coronavirus or due to the appointment date it come for this pandemic period, they not come scan or capture. Now those people now they say they want to start this on the 4th of August. So he say after they don't finish those people where they are waiting to scan before they'll come start the new people on. So those people will know say they don't fair apply before, they never scan or they never capture. The contour say they go drop the list of affected people for their website where it be nigeriansrome.org. Now there they will display the names and the date where they will get scanning. Each time where you know say your own date for put, you go room, you go scan or capture so that you know say na your passport you go dey expect for us. So now say make a fair tell us how the thing want to play. So after they don't do those people we know say they don't quick they apply online where they never scan. If they don't finish those people as they display them for their website, mona make sure so now see they follow that website where I told just now where say nigeriansrome.org. If you don't go there, each name where they publish, wanna look whether una name dey inside. If una name dey inside, una quickly go there for that day where your name attached to the date where you take scan. Una go there, go scan. But if una no say una not see feel they go there or una name not see display, una still get right to still take write text message to this number where I want call. So and this text message, so you write in a way that you write your name, your application number, your reference number, and the city of residence. You send the number to 351-0975-386. I come again, 351-0975-386. Now you send that number to, and you make sure say the text message where you write it go follow the orderliness of names, application number, your reference number, and the city of residence. If you don't send that to them, they'll still book appointment for you when you will fit come for your scanning or capture. So for those people who know say they want do fresh passport for these new people, the contour say embassy can't develop an application where they constantly attached to this website where I first talk just now, which is nigeriansrome.org. This application, so they go open up for new booking after they don't finish those people where they ground first. So if they don't fair finish am, those people wey dey ground first, make the work no come too over for them. They will fair finish those people before they will come open this application for these new people go fit come apply, so that they'll still fit capture. Because this lockdown, so a lot of people dey queue, a lot of people dey a waiting list wey never turn print or capture. So now those people, they say they want fair start first. After I don't finish them, before they'll go, those new people, they'll open this application where they talk, so they'll attach them to this website, so they'll feel apply for them. At the end of the day, if you don't apply, you go room, go scan. Then after you don't scan finish, they come talk say because of this coronavirus, so they don't want make the embassy see too over, they crowded. They come contract this delivering of passport to DHL, which is a courier service. This DHL, so they come to us say if this DHL want deliver this passport, so now they come to us say if you dey come, you come with envelope, you address this envelope, you submit am that day wey you go after you don capture. Now you submit am to the people wey go capture or scan you, which is the embassy people. If you don't drop this addressed envelope, you make sure say you carry your address, your zip code, and the telephone number, so that it go dey easy for them to deliver this passport to you. Then the money wey you pay, if you dey stay for mainland where ground dey, you understand, you know say you pay 25 euro. But if you dey stay for place where you know say they'll fair cross sea before they fit reach your house, now those people that they call highland, for those people you will pay 30 euro before you fit get to that place. So if you know say dey any of those two categories, make sure say you carry this money follow body that day. The money now they want to send the passport to you after you don't capture or you don't scan that day, so that if your passport ready, you no need to go back to Rome again. Now just to drop the envelope with them and you pay the money, they'll send the passport to your address where you drop. And make sure say you still write your phone number in case if they don't fit locate your house, they'll still call you on phone, make they fit locate you. So now I say make I come quick drop this small information concerning this passport matter, how the thing they play now after this pandemic situation. Because of say before now the first us say booklet finish and coronavirus come join am, a lot of people even lose their permit of stay due to this passport wey not dey. This document wey they still dey do so, na only nationality they see a lot of people still dey apply, because say booklet and coronavirus still cause am wey people no fit still dey apply. So now I say from on the 4th of August, so you fit look at the website, you look whether your name dey among the people wey go still start scanning that day. Make sure say you dey look that website wey I will see drop for the description of this video, wey be nigeriarome.org. If you know say this video dey useful, make sure say you send am to any of the Nigerian people wey still dey Italy. So now that's same people now go fit still use this video fit follow the process where I don't talk so now I say make I come tell my viewer, so that as they release the information online today, now I say make I come drop am to my viewers wey be Nigerians, make them fit benefit for this video. So thank you very much. I'll see you next time again. Anytime where I see drop any video again, so that we'll see the latest thing where they come. So more video are still coming. More and not forget, when I hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.